Hello everyone. For today, I would like to share a small project, proof of concept project really, about Python programming for communication between a Chromebook and the CM-150. So I show the configuration we use, some of the software set it up on Chromebook and the CM-150, and then just a short demonstration video. So we have a Chromebook here. It's an Acer Spin 173. I put Linux development on it. I'm using, you can see, Thorny for Python programming. And Acer have a USB-C hub here, you can see. And there I put in a USB BT410 dongle there. And the USB BT410 dongle is recognized in Linux as TTY USB 0. The robot itself is CM-150. It has a BT410 receiver. And then using task 3 code. The task 3 programming, we just use a regular RxD and TXD, so your usual. When data arrive, it's saved to data, and depending on the data, you can stop it, make it go forward, backward, that sort of thing. And it's read the IR left and TXD it away to the Chromebook. So for the Python programming side, you can see I'm using PySerial. We use the usual 6-byte Remocon byte array, just connect it to it, 57.600 buffer. Use write to send the TXT packet to from the Chromebook to the CM-150, and then when the CM-150 gets some message back, and then it used to read. And this is demonstration video here. So this window here is really a Chrome remote desktop from the PC looking into the Acer, and this is the little webcam view of the whole system. And here we go. Hello everyone, this is a quick demonstration of this communication project. So this is a Acer Chromebook, and it had a USB-C hub here, and this is a USB T410 dongle. And then there's a BT410 receiver on the CM-150 here, and I'm just using this so that I can show you it can send data from the IR sensor left as it runs. So that's where it's situated. This is a terminal on the Chromebook. You can see that it found the USB BT410 dongle. It mapped its TTY USB 0 there. And it's running right now. So let's see, make sure I'm running it. I'm going to push the up arrow key. Let's see, you see it send data back. So let me see. So right now I'm going to push stop, so it's just going to send the X data now. It reads mostly 0. So this is the Remocon packet. So let's see, I'm going to move it closer there. I push stop again. Okay, not very sensing very well. Let's see. Let's see it now. Okay, you can see the number I changed now. Unfortunately, you just hear the beep. This happened a lot. The CM-550 is designed to save power, so it turns itself off. You can see that the BT410 dongle is blinking, disconnected now. I'm going to turn the passcode on that one again. Okay, you can see it's still connected. It's spit out here. Let's see if it's still working. I push stop again. Yep, it's in the data. So I'm going to go back to one step. Not too much there though. If I push stop again, see it reads some kind of small number again. Let's see. Let's try it again. Okay. So to see the number change, so the Remocon packet changes. Okay. So let's just move it around a little bit. 1 is to slow it down. So that's a slow speed. Okay, I'm gonna go push 3, which is the highest speed now. You see it turns faster. So just a little proof of concept project to show that it can be done. So I'm using Thonny, you can see on the Chromebook. Just Pi Stereo, you know, the Remocon Packet. Here we go, just connect it, TTY USB 0, 57600. That's about all it can handle. Reset buffer, and then just some CV to push the picture up. That's about it.